Chris Orser Landscaping. This here is a pondless waterfall. It's relatively new to the market. It's a great new way to add a water feature to your house if space is limited. It's also very cost effective to put in. It's basically a waterfall without the pond. There's a reservoir underneath of the river rock, and it just recirculates back up to the top of the waterfall and falls down, so you have the tranquility of sound of the water without the pond. Basically eliminating any maintenance. It's pretty much a maintenance-free water feature, and like I said, pretty cost-effective to put in. It's just a really nice look, and it just kind of accents a lot of the hardscaping features that Chris Orser Landscaping puts in. So if you'd like any more information on water features, pondless waterfalls, hardscaping, planting, or any other landscaping questions or ideas, please call 215-249-1236.